Welcome to this video this morning. I want to respond to a question that was given by one of my students, and also I can point out from my video here I have somebody, Elizabeth Wangala and Paul Calvins, who are responding to a question that I had done about division of a line segment, and to be particular it was external division of a line. And the question that has been raised here is point K 4,7 divides line AB externally in the ratio 5:2. Given A is 6, -12, find the position vector of B. So in my previous video I had done using two approaches, and I still want to use the same methodology, but this time round I be more rigorous, because when you use the ratio theorem, the second one is more or less like a formula. So I want to point out several things here. And in our solution bit, we have this point we are calling K 4,7, which divides the line externally AB in the ratio of 5:2. So if you are supposed to first of all draw a line segment AB, then you imagine that a point K is outside the line segment. So my A is defined as 6, -12. My B is not known, so you can call it XY. And then my K is 4, 7. So using the ratio theorem, you can use this formula. We say N over M plus N A vector plus M over M plus N B vector. Now my N, we should define the direction of this vector. We're given 5:2, so we can take 5:2. In other words, we say from A to K we go 5 units, from K to B we go -2 units. Why negative? Because we are moving against the direction we had taken before. So we take N to be -2 and M to be 5. So we take -2 over -2 plus 5, A plus 5 over -2 plus 5, B. Okay, so this gives me this fraction, -2 over 3 A vector plus 5 over 3 B vector. And what is my A? My A is nothing but 6, -12. So I write -2 over 3 into bracket. I write now this coordinate in column form, 6, -12, plus 5 over 3. I don't know B, so I can designate that one as XY, equals to 4 in 4, 7. That is the K that we were given that divides line AB externally in that ratio. So when you simplify here, you're going to get -4, 8 plus 5 over 3x, 5 over 3y equals to 4, 7. Solving this is a matter of solving x and y. So taking -4, 8 to the other side, you have 5 over 3x, 5 over 3y equals to 4, 7 minus into bracket -4, 8. So what we have here is 5 over 3x equals to 8. So x is 24 over 5. Then 5 over 3y is equals to -1. So y is -3 over 5. So we have coordinate of B as 24 over 5, -3 over 5. That is using the ratio theorem. You can also use the other method I had pointed out earlier. Here the method says if you're given A as 6, -12, B as XY, we don't know actually what B is, and we have our point K as 4, 7, and the ratios are 5:2. First of all, we'll define this ratio to denote that we have an external division. So I may take, just like the previous example I've done a while ago, 5:2. So my K is 5 and my L is equals to -2. All right, so I will take my L times x1 plus k times x2 over k plus l, comma. Then I take my L times y1 plus k times y2 over 3, and this is going to be my point 4,7, because this is a formula for a point that divides a line in a given ratio, KL. So we are pretending we are finding the value of x and y, the value of k, but actually we know what k is, and it's by so doing that we'll get the value of x and y, so which is what is the coordinate of B. So we take L is -2, so -2 times 6 plus 5 times x over k plus L, that is 5 plus -2, that's 3, pretty simple. Then -2 times times x, of course now the y value, I should say -12, plus k, that is 5 times y over 3, all this is equals to 4,7, right? So this is -12 plus 5x over 3, we can compare now, is equals to 4, and the other one is 24 plus 5y over 3 equals to 7. So when you solve this, you notice that we have -12 plus 5x yields 12, so 5x is 24 and x is 24 over 5, similar to the answer that we had gotten before. The other one is 24 plus 5y over 3 is 7, so 24 plus 5y is equals to 21 when you multiply by 3 both sides, and then 24 you take to the other side, so it will be 5y is equals to -3, and y is nothing but -3 over 5. So we have found the new coordinate of B as 24,5 over 5, -3 over 5. The request was we write it in as a position vector, so this should be B is equals to 24 over 5i minus 3 over 5j, and that is the position vector of B. Thank you.